YMC, young man's conversation. Put yourself to the test, man. Put yourself to the test. Stop going on repeat. I used to go on repeat, get the same results, and be pissed the fuck off, man. This shit ain't smooth. Talk to a lot of people all day, all the time. And the only thing I hear is how it's not working. At the end of the day, if you're doing the same fucking thing, what the fuck you think is gonna happen? And like that little video they put out with Kobe talking to Kanye West, he's like, you the same animal and the same beast? You can't be the same animal in every situation. You can't. If you had a fly, well, you keep me acting like a fucking monkey, man. You keep me acting like a sloth when it's time to fly. Come on, man. Set your game up. Let's go. YMC, how much conversation? What a beautiful day.